Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to fix a program that isn't responding on a Windows 10 PC or laptop. We'll be trying multiple fixes to try and get the program responding again. Of course there isn't a guaranteed fix, but I'll try my best to help. You don't need to follow all of the methods to try and fix it, so feel free to skip some if you have already done them or you don't think that they will work. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the methods. The first thing to mention is that simply leaving the program for a few moments could fix the problem. Sometimes certain apps will run commands or do tasks that can cause this to appear until they are finished, so it's worth a try. The next thing to try is to set the app, program or task to high priority in the task manager. This will tell Windows that this program is the most important, and hopefully this will help make it respond again and complete any of the tasks that are outstanding. To set an app or program to high priority, first go to the Task Manager. You can get there by right-clicking on the taskbar at the bottom and then by choosing Task Manager from the list. When the Task Manager opens, go to the Details tab. You should now see a long list of tasks running on your PC. Find the task or program that isn't responding on the list. It's in alphabetical order, which should help. Once you have found it, right-click on it and then hover over Set Priority. Now choose High by clicking on it and wait a few moments to see if this fixes it. The next potential solution is to close all other programs. This should help in a similar way to the last method. This will allow your PC to just focus on the app that isn't responding. Remember to save work before closing any other apps. These are all of the real-time fixes I have for this issue. If the problem occurs regularly, I do have some more solutions to mention that might help stop this happening in the future. You will probably need to end the task in the Task Manager before proceeding with these fixes. First, make sure that your PC is capable of running the software or program that is not responding. If it has run fine in the past, then you don't need to worry about this one too much. But if you have never run it before, check that it is built for your PC. For example, it could be for macOS instead of Windows or for a different Windows version. Your PC hardware may also limit the ability to run certain apps, so check if your system meets the minimum requirements. These will likely be on the website of the app or program or the store page that you got it from. The next method is to try running the app or program as an administrator. Some apps may need to be run like this in order to open and work properly. Find the app and right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. See if this works. If not, we'll move on to the next method. Next, I would recommend updating the software. This should remove any bugs that are causing the error, and it has the potential to fix corrupted files that could be causing it. You will need to update the app within itself or in the store you got it from. Updates may also be available online. Also try changing some of the settings or think back to when the issue started appearing and perhaps revert any settings to how they were. This includes settings within the app and in general on Windows 10. The next method is to try a system restart if you haven't done this already. A restart could help refresh a lot of the settings on your PC and it could help fix the problem. It's up to you if you want to try this now or at the end of the video, but if you do restart now, when you return to the video, we'll have a few more solutions to try, where hopefully at least one of them will work. We're now going to focus on Windows updates. Firstly, if you know that a Windows update caused this problem, then click the card now to watch my video showing you how to uninstall a recent Windows update. You only need to do that if you are 100% sure that the update caused the problem. If a recent Windows update didn't cause it, then it might be worth checking for and installing any new Windows updates. To check for Windows updates, go to the Settings page first by clicking on the cog icon within the Start menu. In Settings, choose Update and Security. Now check for and install any updates on this page. If for some reason your PC won't update, then click the card now to go to my video showing you how to fix this and update Windows. Let's move on to the next method. The next method will focus on just Windows apps, so if your app isn't from the Windows App Store, you can skip this. We'll try using the Windows Apps Troubleshooter first. To do this, search Troubleshoot in the search bar and then click on the option called Troubleshoot Settings. In here, click on the blue link called Additional Troubleshooters. Scroll down to the bottom and there should be a troubleshooter called Windows Store Apps. Run that and see what it says. It might recommend some actions to take. You can also try to repair the app if the problem occurs regularly. Before doing it, I would recommend backing up some of the files within the app, such as game saves or project files if they are stored within the app's main folder. Search for the app's main folder on your PC and copy and paste any files you know contain information you want to keep. Paste these somewhere safe on your PC. You will definitely want to do this before moving on to the final method as well. To repair an app, first go to the control panel. You can get there by searching for it in the search bar. In the control panel, click on the blue Uninstall a Program link. This link is under the green Programs section. You should now see a list of all of the programs on your PC. You won't be able to repair all of them, as some don't offer this option, but to check, find the app that has the problem and right-click on it. If there is an option to repair, it should say repair in the list of options that loads. If this option isn't available, it might say change, which could be a similar option. Whichever you choose, each app will be different, but just follow the steps it provides and remember to back up anything in the files. The final method is to completely uninstall the app. After doing this, you should be able to just install it again like you did the first time. Remember to back up any settings, saves, and files that are within the app's main folder, otherwise they will likely be deleted. To uninstall an app in Windows 10, you need to go back to the place where we tried to repair apps. If you've closed it, the method was Control Panel, then uninstall a program from the Programs section. This time, find the app and right-click on it and select Uninstall. Follow these steps and allow it to uninstall. After this, reinstall it again and hopefully this will have fixed the problem. Unfortunately, those are all of the methods I have. If after trying all of these it still isn't working, I would recommend researching the exact app and error. If there are any forums relating to the program you are having problems with, this would be a good place to ask this question, as they should be in a better place to help. As always, I will keep the description updated with any new solutions I find, and if any of you find a fix in the future, then it would be great if you could return to the video and post it in the comments to help others. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways you can speed up your Windows 10 PC. Help support the channel by visiting the store, the link is in the description and at the end of the video. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.